a little update video on job we did out here in Port Orange last year. That cold gave the June plum a little smack in the head, but she's coming back. Papaya's coming back. This lemongrass is filled out nicely. Sweet potato everywhere in here. Avocado's got a bunch of new growth. Bananas. This broccoli is insane. And busting. Now, this is 1 year. What did we do this last year? Not even a year?
No, it's like 9 months.
A mulberry tree that's loaded with giants. That's a Thai. Lovely Lauren has been doing a beautiful job of tending her garden. Look how pretty. And the Mexican sunflower coming in. More broccoli. Peach. This one was Tropic Beauty, I believe. Got some fruit on it. Everything's looking fantastic out here. Everything we hoped for. Good. So less than a year, that's where we can turn a vacant yard into a little fruit producing garden. And there's all of that chaos back there. Full of food too. This is great. You're doing a great job.
Yeah,
Awesome. Now we got to do all this.
yeah,
Yeah, add more stuff this year. Alrighty. Cool. Update. I like looking at my food forest a year later. There it is. See you guys.